In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort rows in Smartsheet. Let's start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, open the specific sheet you want to work with. For the clearest view while you're organizing rows, switch to Grid View if you aren't already there. Grid View lays out your columns and rows like a spreadsheet, which makes sorting more predictable and easy to follow. Next, decide which column you want to sort by. Click the column header, such as due date, status, or assigned to, depending on how you want to organize the information. Choosing the right column matters. Dates should be stored as date type columns and numbers as number type columns so that the sort behaves correctly. When you've selected your column, use the sort icon in the column header. Choose sort, ascending to go from smallest to largest, earliest to latest, or A to Z, or choose sort, descending to reverse that order. Smartsheet will instantly rearrange all rows based on that column, keeping each row's data intact. If you need a more refined sort, you can sort by multiple columns. Go to the toolbar, select Data, then Sort. Add your first criterion, like status, and then add a second, like due date. This lets you group items by status and then order each group by date. Click Apply, and Smartsheet will organize the sheet according to those layered rules. By the way, if you're new to Smartsheet or need a quick way to access it, there's a link at the very top of the description that takes you to the official website and downloads. Use that to sign in on the web or grab the app for your device. Keep in mind that a sort is applied immediately, but it isn't permanent. If you want to preserve the current order for later, save a filtered view or build a report based on your criteria. That way, you can return to the same arrangement without redoing the steps. When you're collaborating, anyone with access to the sheet will see the new order. If the sort changes how tasks appear or affects a teammate's priorities, leave a comment or use an add mention to notify them directly. It keeps everyone aligned and avoids confusion. A few quick tips. Use consistent column types for accurate sorting. Apply conditional formatting to highlight high priority items, and combine sorting with filters to focus on exactly what you need. Sorting rows in Smartsheet makes organizing and analyzing your work simple. Follow these steps to structure your sheets, track tasks clearly, and collaborate efficiently. Thanks for watching.